Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: job level, unlocked skills, and basic gear. Get a wand or staff with INT bonuses and cast speed. You need consumables like poison potion and any elemental cards. Once done, allocate your early skill points into the base cast and poison enhancing nodes. Buy or craft any missing reagents. Make sure to set your hotkeys and macro for quick use. You're initiating the process now. Don't stall on trivial upgrades. Start farming the components immediately. You'll now focus on the middle, where execution matters. Hunt the mobs known to drop poison reagents and the card you need, prioritizing respawn efficiency. Use a rotation. Apply the damage over time first to stack poison effects, then cast your main spell chain to amplify proc chance. Once you have drops, refine and socket your weapon with the poison or elemental card, and apply % poison damage modifiers. This converts raw stats into reliable damage. Make sure to craft or buy any missing enchants before final testing. You finish by validating the build. Test on a training dummy or a low-risk boss to confirm poison procs and DPS. Use consumables like poison potions, mana regen, and cast speed buffs to reach consistent uptime. Tweak your rotation for optimal timing. If damage falls short, check socketed cards, refine levels, and whether your skill points are correctly allocated. One key troubleshooting tip: if poison doesn't proc, unequip and re-equip the weapon to reset enchant checks, then retest with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.